Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be working on the F30 because we got brand new tail lights. As you can see, those ones are the basic tail lights, and we're gonna be switching them out to the ones like this. Those ones even have a nice tint to it and had a way better look. I don't know how good you can tell, but once the first one is done, you're gonna be able to see it way better. So first things first, you're gonna have to open the trunk and then remove all those. There's like Phillip heads and then a T20 right here. Pretty much you need to remove that cover. Once you remove that cover, you're gonna have to remove this screw over here and loosen this wire. The same also on the other side. After you remove this screw, you can pretty much pull that whole tail light out, and that's the first part. Alright, so really interesting thing. So this one comes with its own clamp. So how the original ones had those ones, this one comes with its own clamps, and it's a number 8. The other one was a number 10. So first things first, you want to loosen that up. So once you put it in, then it's easier for it to grab in there. Alright, so see that little hook in there needs to go in this hole. So you pretty much lay it flat down there, and then you make sure you push it in there so it hooks in that hook in there. Alright, this is all pushed in, and now you pretty much just tighten this screw and make sure it attaches to the frame. So far we pretty much replaced those ones. Yeah, they look nice, they fit nice, they're all like nice and tight. I don't want to remove the plastic until I'm not completely done. Alright, open the trunk. Now we'll have to remove this plastic in here. Alright. Once you remove the plastic, you have access to those two screws. You need a number 10 for those. Once you disconnected the tail light, you're gonna plug this wire in here. This one is gonna go into the new tail light. This one is gonna go into this small box. The box you're gonna hide in there. And then the orange cable you're gonna feed all the way through here, coming up and connecting to this one. Alright, I'm gonna show you everything. So that took a little bit. I had to figure out why some of the power is not the lights are not lighting up. So I had to make sure the cords and all the wiring is correct installed. So pretty much the orange cable goes in that box, how I said before, and then you need to pretty much notch this weather strip so you can feed it through here, and then this one just plugs in into this other orange one, and then you still have a one that's, you don't have to do nothing with it. I guess that's if it's for a different model, you can probably plug it in directly. I don't know, but yeah, that's how it is. So now the next step is putting it all together, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so here you have the new headlights. They look awesome. The nice thing, they even have the BMW logo on them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.